Check. Let's reflect back the thesis statement as a standard guide. The third paragraph has a good topic sentence as it uses the words of natural areas, which is just the right degree of broadness to cover all examples in a paragraph, such as parks, trees, and gardens. That can be considered 3 examples already. Though one example sentence for a paragraph is a little too light. We will teach you how to do so in a simple step. How to empower your topic statements that honor your essay with meaning, identity, and prestige. It is not easy to do so. It takes certain language skill. So it is okay for most people to write any sentence structure or sentence pattern as long as you have an idea that has ability to cover the paragraph. The fourth topic sentence is more of an announcement which does not provide any issue for discussion that people are expecting. It is different between essay and storyboard, like the difference between statements and description. Description of an object or situation. We will show you how to express, declare, or advocate your authority of thesis claim for the world to know.